So today we are going to perform the Siro Avyanga, the Ayurvedic head massage. So Siro Avyanga, it is good for any kind of hair problems, for hair fall, graying of hair or splitting of hair. We can do Siro Avyanga. For doing Siro Avyanga, we can use different types of oil according to our problems. We are going to put the oil over the scalp region by the help of this cotton very slowly, and we will be using very different kinds of strokes so that the oil can enter inside the hair follicle oil. So now we are going to use the palm stroke. I will be giving the very mild pressure over the head of our guest, so this will help to distribute the oil, the herbal oil, so that the scalp, the hair follicle can get proper nutrition. If there is any kind of hair fall, we can use the Bringaraj tail or Neeli Bringaraj tail. If there is graying of hair, then we can use the Prapound Kariti tail. So our next stroke is pulling off the hair, little amount of hair from the roots. It will help to make the roots stronger and enter the oil inside. Of this hair spa will be the Shiro Pichu. For Shiro Pichu, we need to take a cotton wrapped with the gauze so that we can put in the head, in the vortex of the head. Okay, the small cloth so that we can put around the eyes and the ear. So we have to take the required amount of the oil. So any oil according to the diseases. Thank you. This is the small cotton. Okay, so I'm going to put it over the vortex. Okay, then I will be using this cotton also just above the eyes of the guest, okay, above the ears, tying at the back. Then I need to pour the oil, the warm medicated oil, around 10 ml of oil over this cotton. I hope the temperature of oil is warm enough for the guest.
Perfect, thank you.
You can pause. The oil is so hot, I couldn't. So we can hold this pichu for 30 to 45 minutes. So during that time, the patient can take a proper rest by sitting in the chair. So this pichu is very good nutrition for the hair, any kind of hair problem, or if there is headache, any insomnia problem, or any problem with the nerves or paralysis also, the Shiro Pichu helps. But generally in the hair spa, we perform the Shiro Pichu for the better nutrition of the hair and preventing from the graying of the hair. So now the third step of our hair spa will be the scientific combing. So in ancient time, we used to use the comb made up of the neem or from the bamboo. Okay? So that will be very organic and very natural. So in scientific combing, we are supposed to comb the hair from front to back for 5 times, and from left to right and right to left for 5 times. Okay, so this is the proper way of the scientific combing. We have to just put the mild pressure. So every hair you should address and comb properly, so the patient will feel the proper pressure. She will feel the blood flow inside the scalp. So then from right to left, so in case of female we have to manage the hair. Okay, so it will be like this. 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope my pressure is comfortable for you. Then from left to right again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So from the right side also you have to come from the root. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to give Swedana to the hair. So this step is so this is our step for the Kesa Swedana or Swedanam. So I have soaked this towel in the decoction of the herbs. So this is very soothing and very warm therapy. So it will help to open the pores of the scalp and help to enter the essence of the herbs and oil into the hair follicles. Fifth step of our hair spa will be the application of the paste, that is the talam process. So here I have taken the powders of the Triphala, Nimba, Yastimadu, Bringaraj, Manjistha, Musta. So all these herbs have been mixed with the buttermilk. So this will help to nourish the hair from the root level. So we need to apply this talam paste over the vertex of the scalp. So we have to make it thick, around 2 to 3 centimeter thick, and the patient can hold it for 30 to 45 minutes. It should be lukewarm so that the patient can bear it for a longer time. Thank you. So now our step will be the Kesa Dhupana. So here we will give Dhupana or fumigation to our hair. So if there is any oil content, so this oil content can create some fungus infection. So this fumigation or the Kesa Dhupana will help to take out that fungal infection. So we have to mix different varieties of herbs according to our situation. So here my patient, she has some problem of the thinning of hair. So I have used the herb Yastimadu, Triphala, Bringaraj, Musta, etc.